Hello everybody. I found one issue with the front hatch of the storage compartment on my Yamaha. The front lip seems to be catching on the front of the ski, which has caused these paint chips right here. At first I thought something had just shifted inside the front compartment and got in the way of the lifting arm, and it was snagging when you try to open it. See how it rubs right here when it opens? Yeah, it's definitely touching right now. But I found a fix for it. It's really simple. You just have to loosen these 3 bolts. You'll need a second person to give you a hand because you can loosen them yourself, but you'll need someone to hold the other side while you tighten and you lift on this front hatch. It's got an easy place to hold. You just put your hand under this and lift as you tighten it again. And there's not a lot of play in it, so you don't have a lot to work with, but it seems to be at least 1 millimeter or 2, just enough to give you that clearance you need when you're opening the hatch so that it doesn't touch. See, definitely have a little more room now, and it's not touching. Real simple. Not everybody will have this issue, but I'd say when they're putting it on, it naturally wants to sit lower because they're just going to slide it into place and tighten it, and the gravity is going to pull it down. You've got to hold it up while you tighten it to get that extra millimeter or 2 of clearance. Now, if you have paint chips for the same reason I do, or for any other reason, here's where you'd want to go to find your paint. Colorite.com. You just come over here to the category selector and you find personal watercraft paint. Select your year, your make. They also have Kawasaki. I'm selecting Yamaha, and I'm selecting GP1800R. Hit go. Now here's the problem I ran into when I looked at it the other day. They don't have the lime yellow listed here under the GP1800. They only have the other color variation. This model came in 2 colors. I've emailed them about this just to be sure, but they haven't responded yet. But what I believe you can do is just go back over to the select a model, and instead of your GP, if that's the one you have, you would select the FX Cruiser HO. It is the same color. They list it as Vivid Leaf Green Solid number 6, but there's the yellow. I'm 99% sure that's what you would need. You would need the color, and it also lists the base. So if it lists a base next to it, you'll need to pick up the base also. For a visual side-by-side comparison of the GP and the FX, showing that those yellows should be the same, I had my 2022 advertisement catalog sitting right here. See, they have it listed under both models as lime yellow. Should be the same color. I don't know why Colorite didn't have it listed under the GP. Just a little oversight. You can get just a touch-up pin. You can get the pin plus complete repair package, or you can get a small jar, or a small jar with the repair package, all the way up to quartz. So you've got a lot of painting to do. I'm probably just going to get the small jar plus the complete repair package. That's all there is to it. Now it's kind of a pain in the ass that you got to fix the paint on a mistake that Yamaha made, but hopefully I'm going to go check with the dealership and see if warranty will at the very least reimburse me for this touch-up paint, because I plan to do the work myself. Hopefully you didn't have this problem. Thanks for watching, if you did or if you didn't.